Welcome you all. This is Adarsh Vidyalaya online chemistry class, standard 10th, unit 11, carbon and its compounds, session 2. Session 1 already we had discussed general characteristics of organic compounds and classification of organic compounds based on the pattern of carbon chain. Now we are going to discuss about classes of organic compounds based on the kind of atoms, hydrocarbons, characteristics of hydrocarbons, classification of organic compounds based on functional group. First topic, hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means the simplest organic compound that is containing only the elements carbon and hydrogen. That is called as hydrocarbon. So, the organic compound that are composed of only carbon and hydrogen atom, that is called as hydrocarbons. So, the carbon atom is joined together by a framework of different elements. So, that is classified into three types. One is alkanes. That means the hydrocarbons which is containing only a single bond. All the bonds are single bond. That type of hydrocarbons are called as alkanes. General representation CnH2n plus 2. Here N means 1, 2, etc. The first alkane is CH4. Name is methane. Second type of hydrocarbon is alkene. That means the hydrocarbon containing one or more carbon-carbon double bond. That is unsaturated compound. Why that is unsaturated? Yes. If any organic compound is containing one or more double bond or triple bond, that is comes under the category unsaturated. That is already we have studied. Okay. General molecular formula CnH2n. The simplest alkene is 2 carbon containing compound, that is CnH4. Sorry, C2H4. N equal to 2. That is alkene. What do you mean by alkene? That is a hydrocarbon which is containing one or more carbon-carbon double bond. Next type is alkyne. The hydrocarbon containing carbon to carbon triple bond, that is called as alkyne. That is also unsaturated because that is containing triple bond. So that is unsaturated compound. General formula CnH2n minus 2. First compound is acetylene. Formula C2H2.
Carbon, atomic number 6, mass number 12. Atomic number means number of electrons presented in the outermost orbit. Atomic number 6, so electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Simply 2, 4. 4 is the valence electron that is involved for bonding. So, electron dot representation. How many valence electron? 4. So, this is the 4 valence electron representation. For simple example, carbon bonded with hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Electronic configuration 1s2. How many electrons are presented in outermost orbital? 1. So, H, hydrogen electron representation star. Four hydrogen atom bonded with carbon atom. Now hydrogen also attain the stable electronic configuration 1s2. So hydrogen outermost electron 2 now. This hydrogen also attain the stable electronic configuration. This hydrogen, this hydrogen. Carbon also. Total number of electrons surrounded by the carbon atom now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is also attain the stable electronic configuration. Here carbon and hydrogen involved for bonding, mutual sharing of electrons. So this is covalent bond. How many covalent bond? 4 covalent bond. Therefore, carbon is a tetravalency compound. Carbon is a tetravalency compound because that is covalent bond with 4 other carbon atom. Okay ma? So, carbon covalently bonded with 4 other hydrogen atom. So, this is a simple representation, 4 covalent bond. So, this is the CH4, methane molecular structure. Suppose one of the hydrogen is replaced by carbon atom. This carbon atom also containing 4 valency electron. One is already bonded with carbon. So, remaining hydrogen. Okay. This is maybe extended. So, this property is called as catenation. This property is called as catenation. So, tetravalency and catenation properties. It is the main reason for we have more than 7 millions of organic compounds attain earth crust. Okay. So, this is the main reason. One is tetravalency nature of carbon. Another one is catenation property of carbon. Catenation means that is a continuous chain linkage formed by an atom. It is a special characteristics for carbon. So, that is the main reason for we have lot of compounds obtained in our day-to-day life. In our body also containing so many chemical compounds, especially organic compounds. Okay. So, these are the 2 properties of responsibility. One is tetravalency, another one is catenation. 3 types of hydrocarbons. One is alkane. Next one is alkene. Next one is alkyne. Alkane means all the bonds are single bond. Alkanes means at least one double bond is present. Alkane, that is containing one or more triple bond to it. Okay. That means all the bonds are single bond. Here at least one carbon-carbon double bond is present. Here at least one carbon-carbon triple bond is present. Alkanes are saturated. Why? Because all the bonds are single bond. Alkanes are unsaturated because at least one double bond is present. So that is alkanes are unsaturated. Alkanes also unsaturated. Alkanes, general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes, general formula CnH2n. Alkynes, general formula CnH2n minus 2. Alkanes, general formula CnH2n plus 2. If here n equal to 1, 2, 3 etc. If n1 is equal to 1, here you have to substitute n equal to 1. That means C1 H2 into 1 plus 2. That means CH4. If n equal to 2, C2 H2 into 2 plus 2, C2 H6. Substitute n equal to 3, C3 H8. If n equal to 4, C4 H10. If n equal to 5, C5H12. Alkanes. The first 5 compounds name. IUPAC name. Now we are going to study about IUPAC name. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. That is a one scientific society. Okay. Scientific Council approval. This is the name for given hydrocarbons. Okay. If our compound is alkanes, that is obey the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay. First alkane is CH4. Name is meth. If the hydrocarbon is containing only one carbon atom, root word is meth. This is the alkane family, so ending with ANE. Here now, this is containing 2 carbon atom, so eth. This is the alkane family, so ANE, ethane. CH4, name methane. C2H6, ethane. C3H8. If the hydrocarbon is containing 3 carbon atom, root word is prop. This is the alkane family, so propane. Here C4H10, how many carbon atoms? 4 carbon atom. Root word is but. This is alkane family, so butane. C5H12. This compound is containing 5 carbon atom. So root word is pent. CH4, methane. C2H6, ethane. C3H8, propane. C4H10, butane. Alkene. General molecular formula CnH2n. Naming root word plus ENA. N equal to 1, that is normally not exist in nature. N equal to 2, molecular formula, substitute N equal to 2 for general formula CnH2n. Therefore, the molecular formula is C2H4. N equal to 3, C3H6. N equal to 4 means that molecular formula is C4H8. N equal to 5, molecular formula C5H10. IUPAC name, root word plus ENE. This is alkene. That is obey the CnH2n molecular formula. So, that is ending with ENE. Okay. How many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. So, root word is eth. Ending with ENE. Because that is alkene family. So, that is ending with ENE. C2H4. Name ethene. C3H6. Propene. Root word prop. ENA is a family name. Okay. C4H10. Butene. C5H10. How many carbon atoms? 5. So root word pent. This is the alkane family. So pentene. Alkyne. General molecular formula CnH2n minus 2. So N equal to 1, that is not exist. N equal to 2, substitute N equal to 2 in the general formula C2H2. N equal to 3, molecular formula C3H4. N equal to 4, C4H6. N equal to 5, C5H8. Try to write the name. Yes, ma. C2H2 ethyne. Because that is containing 2 carbon atoms. So root word is eth. That is the family name, alkyne family. So ending with YNE. Next compound containing 3 carbon atoms. So propyne. Next compound containing 4 carbon atoms. So butane. Next compound containing 5 carbon atoms. So name pentyne.
Next topic, characteristics of hydrocarbon. First character, lower hydrocarbons are gas at room temperature. For example, methane, ethane are gases. Normally, hydrocarbons are colorless and odorless. The boiling point of hydrocarbon is increases with increase the number of carbon atoms. If the carbon chain is increases, automatically boiling point, molecular point weight is increases. So boiling point also increases. Hydrocarbons undergo combustion reaction with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. That is, already we are studied all the organic compounds are highly inflammable in nature. So that is involved for the combustion reaction in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. Three classification of hydrocarbon. One is alkane, another one is alkene, last one is alkyne. Here alkane are least reactive compared to other classes. That means compared to alkenes and alkynes, alkanes are less reactive because this is saturated as well as all the bonds are single bond. Alkanes are most reactive due to presence of triple bond. Alkane are saturated, but alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated. How will you identify saturated and unsaturated? Yes. Take a sample solution in a test tube, add a few drops of bromine water to it. If our substance is unsaturated, bromine water readily decolorize. Suppose our substance is saturated, bromine water do not decolorize. That is already we had discussed in last video. Next characteristic is that is insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. Example, carbon tetrachloride, toluene, etc. If it is insoluble in organic solvent, to form non-aqueous solution. Thank you.